Hey, welcome folks. Larry here from Larry's Fountain Pen Review. I am the one and only pen bug guy. Yes. And of course I love squirrels and Mr. and Miss Duck that comes by and red birds and bluebirds and all kind of birds. So anyway, what I want to talk about today is share with each and every one of you some information on some upcoming guests and how can you find this information. First of all, on March the 12th at 6:30 Central Time, p.m., going to have on the Zoom guest channel Bryce Gillette with luxury brand pens, and our co-host is going to be Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper. So this should be one heck of a party. So write this in your books, take notes, jot it down, put it in your phones, put it on reminders. Let's get everybody on board. And really, we're going to have a great time. We really do. We always have a great time. So now, folks, another thing. On the description box below my videos, right there in the description box, you're going to see announcer archives, right?
Yeah, it's listed as mrannouncer.info.
Okay, that's what it's listed at. So that's going to tell you about all the upcoming events. And then if something's going to be added on or something has to be canceled, anything's going to be on there, just look on that as well. Now, I hope that's helpful to you. So let us know if that's going to work for you, or let us know what would be an easier way to let you guys know what us guys are going to be coming up with. One more time. Bryce Gillette from Luxury Brand Pens is going to be on, okay, on March 12th, right, at 6:30 p.m. Central Time. Again, the co-host, the one and only Frankie Baby from Federalist Pens and Paper. And I've got to do this. I just have to do this. I've also got to mention his little brother, Marco. Marco, baby, we love you too, Marco. Yeah, for real. Mark is Frank's little brother. He's dynamite. For real, Mark is fantastic. Two brothers that really, truly love each other. And that's what's really cool. Family, right? Family. That's what it's all about. And they share the same passion. Fountain pens. Well, that's going to end this for now. What other news do we have to share? Tomorrow, Saturday, the 27th, Mr. Announcer and I go for our second dose, our second shot. Can't wait to get that over with. So, that's going to be tomorrow evening. And then I can come home and vomit. And so, from Mr. Godzilla and from my friends over here, and from Mr. Announcer and myself, thank you for joining me today. Thank you for all your support. Oh, by the way, if you have a pen that you would like for me to review and get my comments, you can always send it to me. And then I will send it back to you after I'm through reviewing it. Hopefully. Can't guarantee it because I get kind of, well, it's hard for me to send pins back, but I will.
Don't worry, you'll get it back.
Well, okay, I'll get it back, okay. But you can do that. So thank you for supporting my channel. So if you would like to reach me, my Gmail address is
LarryB0711@gmail.com.
And I guess one last thing I want to mention here is this again. Magna Carta fountain pens. I've been using the Magna Carta, the Knight, that has an ebonite feed with the fine, medium, and broad. Religiously, going on about 2 months now. I always keep it inked up. And then the one I got from Frank, the Magna Carta, the Wave, which has a medium nib. It's a plastic feed. I've been using that religiously as well, giving a good workout. Carry it with me everywhere I go. And the plastic feed is really good. No, it's not ebonite, so you're not going to get that same kind of effect. But you're still going to get a pretty darn good fountain pen. And of course, you can't beat it for the buck. That's all I'm going to say today. Take care. God bless each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. Don't forget to hit that bell. Peace and a lot of love. And how about some virtual hugs? How about that? You like that? I got 1,000,000 of them. God bless you, folks. Take care. Follow the rules. And as always, don't text and drive. Peace out. Bye-bye.